Are you struggling from fungal infections? Having rashes and itchiness? And dry skin? We have a solution for you! Introducing Anti-Fungal Liquiroll Moisturizer. Easy to apply, easy to carry, and made from natural ingredients. Ginger's antifungal properties are due to the phytochemicals found in the rhizome. The chemical constituents of ginger extract give emphasis that we can say it can kill fungi because it is generally a natural antipathogenic agent. The effects of aloe vera on our skin are that it helps to soothe and moisturize the skin and also boosts the healing of wounds and the quality of our skin at the same time. As aloe vera helps to soothe and moisturize the skin, hibiscus oil also has an effect on our skin, which enhances the skin's ability to retain moisture, which is a crucial factor in retaining a youthful complexion. It boosts the collagen production, which makes your skin tight and firm. The purpose of these ingredients in our product is to aid, protect, and maintain the target organ system, the integumentary system, particularly our skin against fungi. With the antifungal and moisturizing effects, it ensures that it brings a dual impact that balances our skin between smooth and clean structure.